hard to believe, but we met just 7 months back through a mutual friend. He is a guitarist. So I stalked his profile on Instagram. It was an open profile at that time. So I stalked his profile. His voice was so sweet, and there were few songs which I liked more than the original one, which he has covered.
आली चाहूल कुणाची हे डूल कुणाचे झुलते ग आले पाऊल कुणाचे ही भूल कुणाची अनाहुत ग माझ्या मग्न तळाकाठी स्वप्न तुझ्यासाठी गिरवले ग आली चाहूल कुणाची हे डोल कुणाचे झुलते ग.
When he is around, my mind is so calm and everything just falls in place automatically actually. The way he takes care of the people we love, like his parents, his first family, me. The way he loves them, the way he takes care of them, that is something I love about him.
तुझ्या वीण नाही ग तुझे माझे सांगताना एक लिहिले जाईल उभे दोन जरी पुढे दिसे दर्पण